Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we've got a real quick video update on the puzzle project, the Never Ending Puzzle Project. We got a new puzzle piece here. As you can see, I'm just going to be doing photos in this video here today. This is the front of it. It looks like there's some type of like warthog of some type there. I could be getting that wrong. But it looks like they make memorial type designs here. This appears to be like a cutoff of one of their pieces that they've engraved. Looks pretty detailed on the front here. And then on the back, you can see they have the name that sent it here. It looks like it's Dyer Dre Beth, if I'm pronouncing that right. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And they've got their website name there as well. So if you want to check them out, it looks like they make memorial stuff. Then I'm going to show you a quick update of this connected to the rest of the Never Ending puzzle here. So you can see what that looks like as the end result here. All right, there you guys have it. That is how far we are on the Never Ending Puzzle project here. If you haven't sent in your piece yet, please do so before the end of the year. We've got just about a month left. So please go ahead and send that in if you want to be part of this project. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.